Top 5 Benefits of Oats. Oats for weight loss. Studies have revealed that starting the day with a nutritious, fiber-rich meal such as oats can help with maintaining a healthy weight. Oats has been found as having the highest satiety value of all breakfast meals, giving a feeling of fullness for longer. Oats for cholesterol. Researchers have identified a substance in oats called beta-glucan which significantly reduces LDL cholesterol. In people with high cholesterol levels, the intake of the equivalent of 3 grams of oat fiber daily generally reduces total cholesterol by 8 to 23%. 3 grams of oat fiber can be had by eating about 1 bowl of oats. There are over 40 studies which confirm the ability of oats to reduce unhealthy LDL cholesterol. Oats for blood pressure. Individuals who had high blood pressure and oats added to their diet had a significant reduction in blood pressure as well as the need for antihypertensive medicine. Oats for diabetes. A number of studies demonstrate that individuals with high whole grain consumption had from 28 to 61% less risk of type 2 diabetes in comparison to people with the lowest whole grain consumption. One study of individuals with type 2 diabetes that ate foods high in oat fiber had a much lesser rise in blood sugar compared to other individuals who ate bread or rice. Contains vitamins and minerals. Oatmeal contains a wide array of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants and is a good source of protein, complex carbohydrates and iron. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe channel for more health tips.